Welcome to this informational video about the new acute care hospital in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. I noticed activity in the proposed site for the new mega hospital located on the corner of County Road 42 and the 9th concession, across from the Windsor Airport property. So I stopped and sent my mini drone up for a look. Windsor has major construction projects underway that will advance the region's economic growth in the decades to come. The Gordie Howe Bridge, NextStar battery plant, widening Highway 3, and other infrastructure like the Herb Gray Parkway all enhance the opportunity for growth. This contemporary infrastructure and big business are expected to boost the region's economy and population. I'm all for progress and prosperity. Bring it on. However, as Essex County industry blossoms, it adds to the strain on already strained services. Our hospitals are one of these affected. The population of Essex County, including the city of Windsor, is 422,630 as of 2021 census, 229,000 in Windsor alone. Current growth is in the 3 to 6% range. Should we expect those figures to increase beyond that? The battery plant will employ 2,500 plus workers and draw feeder plants and other business into their network. The greenhouse industry is booming as well, and many other business enterprises throughout the region. The question is, are we ready? Have you had a medical emergency lately? On a busy day, it's hard to find hallway space for emergency patients, let alone a room. Paramedics spend hours, sometimes full shift, in the emergency ward waiting for the hospital staff to take patient responsibility. It's crazy. We need more doctors and nurses and the facility to expedite their much-needed service. I wondered when the new mega hospital would break ground, and more importantly, when it would open to serve our population. This is what I learned. The activity, I understand, is the site preparation for the new hospital has begun. This site preparation work is expected to take 12 to 18 months to complete. The Windsor Regional Hospital has officially acquired 60 acres of land for the purpose of the new Regional Acute Care Mega Hospital in Windsor, Ontario. The land was transferred in October 2020 at a price of $100,000 per acre, or $6 million. Construction is scheduled to begin in the spring of 2027 and will take about 4 years to complete, with an expected completion date around 2031. The Ministry of Health previously estimated the price tag for the new hospital to be more than $1 billion. However, Windsor Regional Hospital has estimated the total cost to be around $2 billion. Factoring in inflation and supply chain issues are expected to have increased the original cost estimates, though the full updated figure is still being finalized. The new hospital is within 10 kilometers of where most Windsor Regional Hospital patients and staff live. It is going to be approximately 2 million square feet in size. That's 700,000 more square footage than the Ouellette and Metropolitan campuses combined. The hospital will replace the existing Ouellette and Metropolitan campuses. The hospital will have 100% private patient rooms, including the pediatric and neonatal intensive care units. The hospital plans to include a 9-story inpatient tower, a 5-story diagnostic and treatment block, a cafeteria with outdoor seating, and space for future growth or emergency needs. The mega hospital is a major healthcare infrastructure project ready to get underway in the Windsor-Essex region. Site preparation has begun, but we're still 7 years away from seeing this hospital open. How will the new hospital benefit the people of Essex County? Should it replace the Ouellette and Metropolitan campuses? Will it be done soon enough to serve the growing population? Will it be better or worse for Windsor residents? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.